Hi everyone, hope you're well. So today we are looking at page 19, which is cancelling an accidental. We've actually done quite a bit of work on sharps and flats and natural signs, so you should be okay with doing this page without much guidance, but I'm just going to go through a couple of examples and explain the information at the top of the page. The lesson today is just to complete this page because we start a brand new topic really with intervals next lesson, so just the one page today, nice and easy. So it says at the top, an accidental lasts until the end of the bar. For example, look at the note marked with the asterisk. In this bar it is F sharp. So we've got one bar of music here. Now that F sharp here has got the sharp sign in front of it, so it's telling us that this note is an F sharp. Now a sharp sign, an accidental, so a flat or a sharp, that's what an accidental is, it lasts till the end of the bar. So that F sharp is going to affect any other Fs in that bar. Now this note here that's asterisk, that is an F sharp as well, because we've got the sharp. So the sharp sign affects both of these Fs. So the notes in this bar are D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp again, E. Underneath it says, to change the note back to F natural, so that's the normal F, the white note F, so it's not a sharp or a flat, you have to add a natural sign. You do the same if F sharp is in the key signature. So if we wanted this second F to be an F natural, we have to put the natural sign in front of it. So D, E, F sharp, G, F natural, because it would have been an F sharp if we hadn't have put the accidental natural note in, and then E. Okay. Similarly, if we were in the key of G major, you know that G major has one sharp, F sharp, so all Fs are F sharp in G major. But what if you needed an F natural? D, E, F sharp, we know that's an F sharp because it's in the key signature. G, F natural, we put the accidental, the natural sign in E, okay? So just have a good read of that. This is where it gets a little bit complicated, it's quite hard to understand, so just have a real good read through it. First of all, it says, look at this example. So we've got these notes here, and the numbers correspond to the notes. So it says, note 1 is F sharp, right? We know that's F sharp because there's an F sharp in the key signature, so F sharp. Note 2 is F natural, yeah, it's an F, but it's got the natural sign in front of it, so it's just a normal F, not a sharp, not a flat. Note 3 is F natural, yeah, because that sign, that accidental sign, remember, carries through the bar, so any Fs now that we see are F natural, so this is an F natural. Note 4 is F sharp, because we want to change it from an F, because we're now assuming all Fs are F natural, we've put a sharp sign in front of it. And it says here, the sharp sign before note 4 cancels the natural before note 2. So whenever you put a new accidental in, that affects the whole bar. So it goes back to what it says at the top there, okay? So whatever accidental you have, it affects everything in that bar. So looking at the exercises. Exercise 1, add an accidental in front of each note marked asterisk to cancel the previous accidental. So we've got here D, F, E, and we want it to be an F sharp because we don't want the F, we want it to go back to an F sharp that we've got in the key signature. So you put an F sharp, a sharp sign in front of it. So this one here, if we look at it through, first of all work out your notes, C, D, E, D sharp, E, F. Now this should be a D sharp because this D sharp here has got the sharp sign in front of it, so it affects that note as well. But the task is to cancel it. Okay, so instead of a D sharp, we want a D natural. So we would just put a natural sign in front of it there. And remember, the symbol goes on the same line as the note itself. So same with these ones. We've got G sharps, but we don't want this to be a G sharp. We've changed our C sharps because of our key signature, F sharp, C sharp, D major. We changed it to a C natural, but we want to take this one back to its previous. Its previous note will be C sharp, okay? Have a look through those ones as well. Exercise 2, name each note marked with a number. So we're looking through the music and you've got to decide what the letter name is, whether it's a sharp, whether it's a flat, whether it's a natural, and write it down. Really important bit here to remember that comes up in exercise B. And don't forget your key signatures as well. Okay, first thing to do is look at the key signature and then look at the bar. So if we're looking through this passage here, 1 and 2 are done for you. Number 3, just have a think what note this will be. Okay, so if that note wasn't there, if the second note wasn't there, this would be a B flat because we've got B flat in the key signature. But this natural note, remember, because we've put a natural sign in for the B, it affects the whole bar, so therefore this note is also going to be a B natural, okay, because that accidental affects the whole bar, okay. Have a look through. There's a couple of ones on that are tricky in exercise B to look through, okay. I've also put some links to websites on Facebook for you to look through, which will give you a little bit more understanding and a little bit of clarity about this as well, okay. Have fun.